actually really quite dark.
Hello there. Hello Nana and Grandpa. Happy diamond wedding anniversary. Sorry we can't be there to celebrate with you all. I'm sure you'll have a nice night and we'll be there for the next one. See you at Christmas hopefully, and well done on 60 years. Bye!
Hello! I'm sure I'm not as funny as that was.
Wasn't that funny?
I organised the bells for you.
Try some watermelon, that goes down a
store.
store.
Hope you have a lovely day and congratulations, it's amazing, 60 years. And we'll see you soon, have a great time, lots of love. Mwah.
Bye.
Bye.